Hello students, let us continue our topic of trigonometry. Today in this class we will start solving exercise 8.1. Now see, our first question is, in a triangle ABC right angled at B, AB is equals to 24 centimeter, BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Determine sine A, cos A, and in the second case sine C and cos C. For this we have to draw the figure. We will draw right angle triangle ABC. We have to find angle A and angle C. To find angle A and angle C, we have given that AB is equals to 24 centimeter and BC is equals to 7 centimeter. So first we will find AC. How we will find AC? By using Pythagoras theorem. So see here. We will write AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So 24 square plus 7 square, so 576 plus 49 625, and AC the square, that AC we will get 25 625, and we know that the square root of 625 is 25 centimeter. Now see, to find sine A, so we just recall it. While writing sine A, it should be opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side BC is how much? 7, and hypotenuse is our how much? 25. So sine A is how much? 7 by 25. Similarly, that cos A, adjacent side by hypotenuse, our adjacent side is how much? 24, and hypotenuse is how much? 25 centimeter. Now in the second case, we have to find sine C and cos C. Now see, don't get confused. Here sine C, this one. So here to find sine C, again opposite side. Now our opposite side is changed here. Opposite side is how much? 24, and hypotenuse is 25, and similarly for cos C, adjacent side. So adjacent side we will write. See, now the thing will change. So here adjacent side is how much? 7 by hypotenuse is 25. Okay, now see, similarly in the given figure find 10p minus cot r. Values are given, so just you think how we will find 10p and cot r. See students, don't get confused. 10p, this one, so you'll find the value with this, and cot r you have to use this. Okay, but here PQ is given, PR is given. So first what we will do, we will find QR by using Pythagoras theorem. So please you try this question by yourself. Okay, similar type of question, so I know you will be able to solve. Now this is very easy. If sine A is equals to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Very easy question. First you find the third value and then you calculate the value. Okay, now see, our next question is given 15 cot A is equals to 8, find sine A and sec A. 15 cot A is equals to 8. So see here, what we will write, cot A is equals to how much? 8 by 15. As we know that what? Tan A is equals to what? P by B. Okay, so this will be how much? B by P. So simply you substitute the value over here. If cot A is equals to 8 by 15, so that will be how much? B by P. So it means B, this one, 8 and P perpendicular, and then you find AC. Okay, here it's side adjacent to angle A by side opposite to angle A, and here values are given. So if it is this one, so we will write in that way, and you find the third side AC. So similarly you add both the values, 8 square plus 15 square, so this become 289, and AC is equals to how much? The square root of 289 is 17, and you put the value of sine A and cos A. Similarly, question number 5, given sec theta is equals to 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Similarly, first you find the third value and then you write all the values. Now see here, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equals to cos B, then saw that angle A is equals to angle B. In this question you have to see very carefully. Here we are given angle A and angle B are acute angles and cos A is equals to cos B. Then we have to prove angle A is equals to B. Now if it is the acute angle, okay, let us consider triangle ABC and CD perpendicular to AB, and it is given cos A is equals to cos B. So what? We will use this one. Cos is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So AD by, we will write AD by AC, and this equals to BD by BC. We have to prove angle A is equals to angle B. So to prove this, let us extend AC to P such that BC is equals to CP here. BC is equals to CP, and similarly you put the value. AD by BD is equals to AC by BC from 1. So AD by BD is equals to AC by CP, as we have drawn BC is equals to CP. So by using converse of basic proportionality theorem, CD is parallel to BP. So angle C is equals to angle P, corresponding angles, and angle C is equals to angle B, alternate interior angles. So and here third one is BC is equals to CP. So we can say that angle CBP is equals to angle CPB. Angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So from 3, 4 and 5, angle ACD is equals to angle BCD, and in triangle CAD and triangle CBD, angle C is equals to angle C common, and angle D is equals to angle D, both 90. Therefore, the remaining angles should be equals, and we can say angle A is equals to angle B. See, there are other method also to solve. So, whatever the method you feel comfortable, you use that method. Okay? Now see here this question number 7. If cot theta is equals to 7 by 8, evaluate. See, this is also very easy. First you draw the triangle and find the third value. First draw the triangle and find the third value, and after that finding the third value, you find the value of sin theta and cos theta only. After finding the value of sin theta and cos theta, you just substitute here a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So you just put the value of sin theta, and here 1 minus cos square theta, you put the value of cos theta. By after substituting, just you calculate and solve this. Okay, so here our value is, after solving, our value is 49 by 64, and cot square theta we have to find. So if we know all the three angles, if we know all the three sides, then we can write the value of cot theta and simply we square it. So both are same. So see students, this much for this class, and other questions we will solve in the next class. Till then, have a good day.